The way you have been running your adverts before would not give you results now. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how you can run adverts now, this year, and get mind-blowing results. The latest data that you can use to track your advert and know if it is working on time and how to tweak it. All these and more are the things I'm going to be sharing with you in this video for free. Let's are the things you need before you run Instagram ads. I'm just going to run through them sharp. You need a Facebook page, you need an Instagram account, Instagram business account.
You need a Facebook account, you need a prepaid ad account so that you can be able to make payments easily. You also need to download Ads Manager. Right there you can be able to edit your adverts and tweak them to give you a better result. You're welcome.
You need money and you need God to bless the work of your hands. Okay, I have 2 videos I have done on Instagram adverts. This is an updated video. In this video, I'm sharing what I have learned running Instagram ads for the past 1 year. So there are some things in that video that's not going to be here, and there are a lot of things in this video that is not in the former video. Why should you listen to me? I grew my page from 0 to 13,000 following with Instagram ads and some other things on Instagram, but majorly Instagram adverts. I have grew 2 pages. This is my 3rd page that I'm growing. I grew my 1st page to more than 12,000 following. I grew another page to about 2,000 following, and this is the 3rd page I am growing. I've been running adverts on Instagram for the past 5 years. I have results. I have grown my page, sold, met my sales targets with the help of God through Instagram ads. Now, ask about me on this street of YouTube. My advert video has helped a lot of people with plenty reviews. When it comes to adverts, I share from my experience, and whatever works for me, I share with you so that you can take it, run with it, and implement it. One thing I want you to do for me, please like this video, drop a comment at the end if you find it helpful. I'm very certain you would find this video helpful. Let's jump right in. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I'll be sharing something that would transform you knowing if your advert is working or not. I'll be sharing the secret with you at the end. So right now I'll be showing you behind the scene of how I run my adverts and a few things you should put in place before you run adverts. In the past 1 year, what I have learned is before you run adverts, try and infuse a bit of your lifestyle. I'm not saying bring your whole life to social media, but when people see your adverts, they will see 50 more adverts. In this year, something must make you stand out. It could be something that would make you relatable. And when I say something should make you stand out, I'm not saying go and buy costume and be doing Netflix movie. Right, so this is my account. The last time I did this tutorial on how to run adverts, I had maybe 7,000 followers, 1,000 posts, and right now you can see progress. I'm a teacher with results. Okay, now let's say I want to run any ad. Before you run adverts, make sure your page is prepared with good content. This is my page, and obviously it is prepared with good content. I have some other videos that spoken details about good content, but I'm going to share you a bit about what good content is. Good content are clear pictures and videos of your product, and with this you can see clear picture of my customized item. Is not blurry. You can see it clean and clear. Things that can make people feel a bit connected to you. They don't have to be connected a lot. Let me show you this. So for this particular one, I did a Yoruba voiceover to show how my assistant was packing one of the others we were sending out, just to show a bit of myself. Right, this is like my picture face behind the brand. This would help you build trust when you land on my page. It's not just about going to boost post and run hats. Instagram CEO, this year is not the year to be stingy. Spend money. You should be able to do a professional shoot. Have at least 2 pictures, professional, so you too can look well packaged when we land on your page from Instagram ads. Okay, your page has to be prepared. I have a whole playlist about that I would add. There are content of some of the others we've been able to pack and deliver. So when you come, you know, say no be hard deal. If he did, if he didn't, it didn't. But this one, he did. Before I run advert, I check the insights of a post. This post has 4 cents. 6 people saved it. Not bad. And let me show you a sample of what I am running adverts with presently. This is a woman gift set. I collated up to maybe 30 different items together so that you see different options. You like it to see it, then you come to the DM to come and buy. So let's just pick any post randomly. Let's say I want to boost post. I click on boost post. I would usually boost my post. That is my own style. Some people say it doesn't work, but it works for me. Do you pick visit profile or website visit or message you? Depending on you, I do profile, and it leads to following and sales. Messaging in past time has always been expensive for me. One of the options you'll see is suggested audience. Instagram will target people similar to your followers. If your followers are people that buy, if you have buying crowd, this would work for you. But if you get your followers from follow for follow, it may not work. If you are picking suggested audience, you just click next.
the algorithm would pick everything for you: the location, the age range, the interest, everything. Depending on the kind of people that already follow you, the algorithm will modify it and look for a lookalike. You just pick your own budget. Please don't set duration. Do run to like pause. You go to next and bam, the advert is running already.
Please hit the like button as it goes along way in telling YouTube this is a very good video so that it can be pushed to other people like you that need to see this content. Merci beaucoup.
So these options you can see are options of adverts I have run myself in past times. So I name my adverts. So I can pick from any of these adverts. If I click on it, it's going to show you the targeting option that I picked. Like this one, I picked women 25 to 35, and I targeted Abuja and Lagos. This is April jury box. When I did jury box had in April, I only picked men and women. I didn't pick any interest. It was blank. And the age I pick is 29 to 41. Right. Now I had a former mindset that do not target men and women together in a advert. But fortunately, in the past 1 year, I tried targeting men and women in advert and it performed wonderfully. I put men product together, women product together. I ran the advert. It was showing to about maybe 60% men, 40% women, and both men and women were buying from that particular content. So I would always be, if you check most of my ad set, is either I'm targeting men or women, either men or women. But for this particular one that I did try out for men and women, it worked amazing well. You might want to try that out too. So let's say I'm picking this. Okay, do not let me pick this. Let me create from the start. Now, if you're trying to create, there's advantage audience. That means the algorithm automatically look for people that can buy your product, not necessarily people that are your target audience or your niche. There's something like an expansion, like, okay, if you say you want someone that is interested in maybe shoe and bag, but we see someone interested in wig and we think that this person might need a shoe and bag, even though this person is not actively searching for a shoe and bag, let's show your advert to the person. I have tried this in past time. I have a whole video speaking about advantage audience. It worked for me at first, later it stopped working. You might want to try it out. However, there's also an edge to this advantage audience. If you want to turn it on because it is presently on, you put your audience name, you can put your location, let's say Lagos. So with this, you are giving the algorithm a bit of a guide. For this, you cannot pick age, you can only pick location. The minimum age starts from 18. You cannot pick interest. If you want some interest, you pick it, but they will still show other people. Let's say you are looking for people that love love. Fashion lovers. So you can pick your interest anyhow you want it, save it. You see that this is the recommended age range, 18 to 65. Leave it, then you save it, and you just do your advantage audience. You can also choose to switch it off and you just do your normal ad targeting. You do your detailed targeting. You can tweak your age and gender with this, then you just go ahead, you save it, and you move on. It's asking for audience name. For a while now, I've been unable to create new audience. I just use old audience because once I try to create a new audience, it goes back to special requirement. Why? So I think it's because I have created too much audience. So Instagram wants me to just stick with any of these ones. So if I'm picking women set broad targeting, for instance, I'm going to click on next, pick my budgets, click on one till I pause and click on next. But because after I click on next, it's going to show me that my advert is running, yada 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 yada. But I'm not going to be clicking on next because I don't want to sponsor this post. So just click on next and you would be able to sponsor it. After you run the advert, if there's anything you want to edit, come back to your ads manager. You should have the ads manager app and you log in into it. Once you put your Facebook password, you can log in. I presently have 3 adverts running. If I want to edit any of my ads, I'll just come here. So let's say the targeting I pick, I feel like I want to tweak it. Maybe when the advert is presently running, I'll come to edit. Right here, you can change location, you can add location, you can add interest, you can add anything. You can change, remove to tweak your advert to your own taste. So you can click on change, you edit, and you save. Now, I promised you ways you can know if your advert is converting. This one didn't do before. So I'm just going to run through this. I'm running this advert. I'll click on it. and I'll click on view insights. If we check the insight of this advert, it had 58 save and 8 shares. Even though the shares is not as much, because I've spent quite a lot on this advert. I spent 92k. It's not small now. But the reason why I left this advert is, if you check the message conversion started, 15 people sent a message with this advert, and I think about maybe 12 of them bought. Another thing is external link tab. I did switch off this ads because it adds loads of external link tab. People seeing these adverts, they were not really people that wanted to save it or share it a lot, because normally when I'm running adverts, that save is small. But I realized that people were taking this advert, making a screenshot from this advert, they are going to WhatsApp and they are buying. People are seeing this advert and they are going to our website and they are buying. So external link tab means that when someone saw your advert, what action did they take? If they click on this advert and from this advert they land on your page and they now go to the link in your bio, that is an external link tab. So the metrics that made me know this advert was converting was necessarily not that it had a lot of sales. In fact, can you see the saves it has? 58 saves and 8 people shared it. I'll show you another one when I have spent way less. But if you see the saves and shares, but those people are not going to actively buy as much as these people. Now let's check the insight of this. When I said I'm going to show you new ways to know if your advert is working in this year, I know what I'm talking about. If you see this one, I've spent just 19,000 around this. Now people you want bad, you can see how they are saving. 90 people shared it. 114 people saved it. They will buy later, even though they are not buying now. But the external link tap is poor. Only 6 people tap. Let's check messaging conversion is 1. But because it's having crazy saves and shares, I'm like, okay, I want to assume that the people seeing this advert, they plan to buy later. So I left it. Now, I can know the direction at which both of those adverts are working because I know how to read data, apart from saves and shares.
I'd like to read from you in the comment section. Did you find this video valuable and helpful? If yes, please let me know. What I want you to do, please like this video to compensate my efforts, because I am selfless to bring this out for free. Please drop a comment and let me know what you find valuable the most in this video. Please share this video so that it can reach a wider audience and encourage me to do more. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to you, and I wish you a very prosperous year. If you found this video valuable, this playlist I'm going to be recommending to you is what you should not miss. In this playlist, I had shared different things that would help your advert scale better, from location, targeting, broad targeting, what to do before you run your advert, how to prepare your page, and a lot of info that would help you. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.